If you've studied English in school, you probably know the grammar. But native speakers don't always speak that way. They use idioms. Today, you'll learn 20 idioms Americans commonly use at work, so you can speak English more naturally and confidently in professional conversations. Let's get started. Learn the ropes. Meaning, to learn how a job or task is done. Example, it took me a few weeks to learn the ropes at my new job. Short conversation.
How's the new position going so far?
Pretty good, but there's still a lot to learn.
That makes sense. It's only your first week.
Yeah, I'm still learning the ropes.
Touch base. Meaning, to briefly connect with someone to discuss something. Example, let's touch base tomorrow about the project update. Short conversation.
Do you have time to talk about the report today? I'm a bit busy right now.
No problem. When works for you?
Let's touch base in the morning.
Back to the drawing board. Meaning, to start again after a plan fails. Example, the proposal was rejected, so we're back to the drawing board. Short conversation.
Did the client approve the design?
No, they weren't happy with it.
That's disappointing.
Yeah, looks like we're back to the drawing board.
Think outside the box. Meaning, to think creatively and differently. Example, we need to think outside the box to solve this problem. Short conversation.
This strategy doesn't seem to be working.
Yeah, we've tried the usual ideas already.
So what should we do now?
We should think outside the box.
In the loop. Meaning, to be informed about something. Example, please keep me in the loop about any changes. Short conversation.
Did you hear the deadline has been moved up?
No, this is the first time I'm hearing about it.
I thought the team already informed everyone.
Well, nobody kept me in the loop.
Keep someone posted. Meaning, to regularly give someone updates about a situation. Example, please keep me posted on the project's progress. Short conversation.
Do you have any updates on the client meeting?
Not yet, but I'll keep you posted.
Great, just let me know when you hear something.
Sure, I'll send you a message right away.
Get down to business. Meaning, to start focusing on the main task or topic. Example, all right everyone, let's get down to business. Short conversation.
We've been chatting for a while.
Yeah, maybe we should start the meeting.
Good idea. We have a lot to cover.
All right, let's get down to business.
In the pipeline. Meaning, something that is being developed or planned. Example, we have several new projects in the pipeline. Short conversation.
Are there any new projects coming up soon?
Yes, we have a few ideas in the pipeline.
That sounds interesting. When will they start?
Probably sometime next month.
Pull your weight. Meaning, to do your fair share of work. Example, everyone needs to pull their weight on this team. Short conversation.
The workload feels uneven lately. I noticed that too. A few people are doing most of the work. Yeah, some people aren't pulling their weight.
Meet a deadline. Meaning, to finish a task before or at the required time. Example, we need to meet the deadline for this project. Short conversation.
How's the project coming along?
We're making good progress.
Will we finish on time?
Yes, we should be able to meet the deadline.
The big picture. Meaning, the overall situation rather than the small details. Example, try to focus on the big picture. Short conversation.
I'm worried about these small issues in the report.
I understand, but try to look at the big picture.
You mean the overall goal of the project?
Exactly. The main objective matters most.
A lot on your plate. Meaning, to have many tasks or responsibilities. Example, she has a lot on her plate this week. Short conversation.
Can you help with another task this afternoon?
I'd like to, but I already have a lot on my plate.
I see. You're handling several projects already.
Exactly. Maybe I can help tomorrow.
Hit the ground running. Meaning, to start a job with energy and immediate action. Example, we need someone who can hit the ground running. Short conversation.
How is the new manager doing so far?
Surprisingly well.
Already making changes?
Yeah, she really hit the ground running.
Cut corners. Meaning, to do something quickly or cheaply by skipping steps. Example, we can't cut corners on quality. Short conversation.
Do we really need to check everything again?
Yes, quality matters for this project.
I just thought it might save some time.
Maybe, but we can't cut corners.
Move the needle. Meaning, to make a meaningful impact. Example, we need strategies that actually move the needle. Short conversation.
Do you think this new marketing plan will help sales?
I'm not sure.
Why not?
I don't think it will really move the needle.
Call the shots. Meaning, to make the decisions. Example, the director calls the shots in this department. Short conversation.
Who decides the final budget for this project?
The finance manager usually calls the shots.
So we should talk to her first?
Yes, she has the final say.
On track. Meaning, progressing as planned. Example, the project is still on track for completion. Short conversation.
How is the project going so far?
It's going well.
Do you think we'll meet the deadline?
Yes, everything is still on track.
Step up. Meaning, to take responsibility or show initiative. Example, someone needs to step up and lead this task. Short conversation.
We still need someone to handle the presentation.
Everyone seems busy today.
The meeting starts in an hour.
All right, I'll step up and do it.
Circle back. Meaning, to return to a topic later. Example, let's circle back to this idea tomorrow. Short conversation.
Should we talk about the new proposal now?
We only have a few minutes left in the meeting.
You're right, we might rush it.
Let's circle back to it tomorrow.
Wrap up. Meaning, to finish something. Example, let's wrap up the meeting. Short conversation.
We've covered all the main points today.
Does anyone have anything else to add?
I think that's everything.
Great, let's wrap up the meeting.
Those are 20 idioms in today's video. I hope you enjoy learning English. If you found the video interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe to support me. See you next time.